Hey, I'm Josh Ferens. Today, we're looking at the CellCore line of tools. These powerful transducerized tools work with or without a controller and represent the next revolution in assembly tools. When we talk to engineers, line managers, or assemblers, we hear the same feedback. Tools break when dropped, they're heavy, and they don't last long enough. These are the concerns we've addressed with CellCore. That's why CellCore tools have a durable housing made from glass-filled nylon, a protective cover for the display, and dampers for shock absorption. Basically, if a tool does get dropped, there's a minimal chance of downtime. Of course, reliability is just as important, and CellCore tools offer up to 500,000 cycles between maintenance. Sometimes, durability has a negative impact on ergonomics. Well, that isn't the case for CellCore. We've used a combination of nylon and steel to reduce scratch points, improve balance, and decrease weight without losing strength. Every part of the tool is built for function, like the diagonally mounted batteries that fit flush with your surface. It was also important that we made a tool that was easy to use, and that all comes from this icon-based user interface, perfect for multilingual facilities. You can customize the tool to your preferences by adjusting the brightness, units of measure, password protection, and much more. But most importantly, you can program directly on the tool. CellCore tools hold up to 10 pre-programmed fast taps, which can be programmed in just 20 seconds. For example, to program a 6 Nm rundown, you would use the right arrow key to go into your menu, press the Cleco C button, and select an application number. Fast taps default to clockwise rotation and torque strategy, but counterclockwise and angle strategy are also options. I'll program the target torque, batch count, free speed, and I'm done. The tool will use default upper and lower limits, shift points, and shift speed, but you can customize all of that in the advanced menu screen. Once you're using the tool, the multicolor work light provides additional operator feedback. This is helpful when the interface is hard to see. That versatility carries over into the controller. CellCore tools are fully forward and backwards compatible with Cleco's global controller platform. Even when offline, you can store up to 15,000 rundowns and 500 torque traces directly on the tool, then extract them using the micro USB port. Every tool has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capability, and our Stay Alive function means that you won't lose that connection when you change a battery. All of this means more uptime for your line. The CellCore family of tools is the next revolution in production assembly. Easy to handle, hard to break. Check out our website or contact your local sales representative to schedule a demo today.